Tiger Rocks Beach, located in Isipingo, south of Durban, is a secluded and relatively unknown beach situated below a cliff, offering stunning views of the coast. Early 20th century developments included the construction of a swimming bath and a seawall at the beach, contributing to the area's infrastructure and leisure facilities. The beach features a tidal pool and many other rock pools rich in marine life, making it a favored spot for anglers. Its serene environment is perfect for whale watching at dawn or engaging with fishermen in the afternoon, whilst it's also an ideal location for photographers and nature enthusiasts looking to capture or experience the beauty of this less trodden spot. The area's natural beauty and its integration with the local marine ecosystem make it a noteworthy point of interest for anyone visiting. However, visitors are advised to be cautious due to safety concerns. The area's appeal also lies in its seclusion and the presence of various marine habitats, offering a tranquil escape and opportunities for nature observation. Whether it's the unique marine life in its tidal pool or the remnants of early 20th century progress, Tiger Rocks Beach continues to be a captivating destination that echoes the stories and transformations of its past, inviting visitors to partake in its tranquility and natural splendor.